Welcome to the Montessori Workshop Numeral Cards Activity Guide. Let's dive into the engaging world of numbers with children in a hands-on and interactive manner. Prepare your materials by printing and laminating the number cards, creating a durable and child-friendly learning environment. Set up a welcoming space with organized materials. Engage children by demonstrating how to use the materials. Encourage your child to actively participate in the activities. Support your child's practice of numeracy skills through repetition and positive reinforcement. Invite the child with excitement. Join me for a special exploration of numbers. Let's have fun with numerals. Arrange the first three number cards, 1, 2, and 3, and introduce each number with enthusiasm as the child observes closely. Encourage repetition of the numbers to aid in memorization and reinforce understanding. Progress gradually from the initial 3 numbers to the complete set from 0 to 9 as the child gains familiarity. Wrap up the activity with positive affirmations, highlighting the significance of early number learning experiences. Through joyful and interactive exploration of number cards, children hone their counting abilities and numeral recognition skills. We hope you find this guide useful. Thank you for joining us in this Montessori workshop. We hope you and your child have fun learning and practicing together.